If you're young, hungry for more, and deep down feel like nobody ever taught you the real rules about money, this video is for you. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. You weren't taught how to win. You were trained to settle. School prepares you to be stable, a decent job, a small apartment, maybe one vacation a year if everything goes right. And the moment you say you want more than that, people call you greedy, unrealistic, delusional. But let me ask you something. Is it greedy to want freedom? Or is it greedy that the system profits from you staying small? While most people are stuck trading time for money, a small group lives life on their own terms. No alarms, no bosses, no asking for permission. And years ago, I decided I'd rather be in that group. So today, I'm going to break down the 5 stages that actually lead to real wealth. Not lottery luck, not hype, not get-rich-quick nonsense. A repeatable path. Let's get into it. What's the fastest way to get rich? Dropshipping? Crypto? Day trading? YouTube? AI? Everyone has a different answer. And that's exactly the problem. Too many options, too much noise. So you freeze, you wait, you research, and months turn into years. Here's something most people never realize. There isn't one perfect path. There are many good ones. But if you don't choose a direction, life chooses for you. And when that happens, you don't design your future. You accept whatever shows up. That's drifting. Drifters bounce between jobs, random side hustles, new trends every month, hoping something magically works. But hope isn't a strategy. If you're not building your own dream, you're helping someone else build theirs. Nobody wakes up thinking, how can I make you rich today? Your success is your responsibility. So be honest with yourself. Are you steering your life or just floating? Because drifters rarely build wealth. They just survive. Your life can change with one decision. Not a degree, not money, not luck. A decision. The moment you say, enough, I'm going all in, that's when everything shifts. This is where most people get uncomfortable, because the word is obsession. If you truly want wealth, it can't be a casual interest. It has to matter more than distractions, more than comfort, more than fitting in. You can't say, I want to be rich, but also master guitar and train for a marathon and learn 3 languages and party every weekend. Energy split in 10 directions builds nothing. Laser focus builds everything. High performers don't dabble, they commit. For a season of life, you have to narrow your world. Less noise, fewer goals, more depth. Because wealth rewards intensity, not half effort. Here's the rule nobody explains. You get paid based on the value you create. Not effort, not hours, value. If you're not earning much yet, it's not personal. It just means your skills aren't rare enough yet. The good news is, skills are learnable. You don't need a genius idea. You don't need to invent something new. You just need to find something that already works and copy the blueprint. Find someone who's already doing what you want. Study them, work for them, learn from them, shortcut their mistakes. Whether it's editing, sales, content creation, coding, e-commerce, negotiating, marketing. Master 1, not 5, 1. Because one strong skill can change your income forever. This stage is about discovery, learning how money is actually made in the real world. Now comes the part most people avoid, doing the work. Messy, imperfect, uncomfortable action. Your first attempts will be bad. Everyone's are. Your first videos will suck. Your first sales calls will be awkward. Your first projects will feel amateur. Good. That means you're learning. Most people quit here because their ego gets hurt. They want instant results, but mastery comes from reps, feedback, correction, repeat, over and over. Also, stop asking friends and family if you're doing great. They love you. They'll lie to protect your feelings. You need honest feedback from people better than you. That's how you grow faster. This stage can feel lonely. You might outgrow old circles. You'll work while others relax. You'll sacrifice while others party. That's normal. Every successful person goes through a quiet grind phase. Push through it, because this is where separation happens. Eventually, something clicks. Your skills pay you consistently. Money starts flowing in, not randomly, predictably. And for the first time, you breathe. No panic about bills, no begging for time off, no boss controlling your schedule. That's freedom. But here's where people mess up. They start earning, then immediately start spending. Cars, clothes, status, trying to look rich instead of becoming wealthy. There's a difference. Rich buys liabilities. Wealthy buys assets. Rich spends to impress strangers. Wealthy reinvests to multiply. At this stage, the best investment isn't crypto or real estate. It's still you. More skills, more knowledge, better decisions. Because you are the asset that creates everything else. When you reinvest in yourself, your income compounds forever. That's how wealth becomes permanent. So here's the path again. Stop drifting, get obsessed, build a valuable skill, execute relentlessly, reinvest for freedom. Simple, not easy, but simple. If you follow this long enough, wealth isn't luck, it's inevitable. If you're serious about building real freedom while you're still young, subscribe because we're just getting started. See you in the next one.